Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer BUSD from Tangem Wallet to Bitmart in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, transferring assets like BUSD has become even more straightforward, but it's crucial to get it right to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're building your portfolio or moving funds for trading, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have the latest Tangem Wallet app installed on your device and that your wallet is securely set up with BUSD. It's 2025 now, so expect enhanced security features like biometric authentication. Use them. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app and log in using your preferred method. Once you're in, navigate to your asset list and select BUSD. You'll see your balance right there. Double-check it to ensure you have enough to transfer. Step 2. Head over to the Bitmart platform. Log into your Bitmart account on their website or app, and go to your wallet section. Here, you'll need to generate or copy your BUSD deposit address. Pro tip: always verify that this address starts with the correct prefix for BUSD to prevent errors. Step 3. Back in Tangem Wallet, select the Send or Transfer option for BUSD. Paste the Bitmart address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check the network fees. They might be lower in 2025 thanks to improved blockchain tech. Step 4. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to approve it with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometrics. Once sent, keep an eye on the transaction status. It should appear on the Blockchain Explorer shortly. Step 5. Jump back to Bitmart and refresh your wallet. Your BUSD should show up in a few minutes, depending on network congestion. If it doesn't, check the blockchain for any issues. And there you have it. That's how you transfer BUSD from Tangem Wallet to Bitmart in 2025. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always double-check everything to stay safe. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Let's keep navigating the crypto world together. Thanks for watching.